Did you know an entire town was once bombarded by blobs of living tissue from the sky? On August 7th, 1994, the residents of Oakville, Washington woke up to what looked like normal rain. But when Dottie Hearn stepped outside, she noticed something strange. The drops weren't water. They were clear, jelly-like blobs covering everything. Within hours of touching them, Dottie became violently ill with severe flu symptoms. Her cat died that same day. Across town, dozens of residents reported the same mysterious illness after contact with the blobs. When scientists finally analyzed the substance, they made a chilling discovery. The blobs contained human white blood cells and unknown bacteria. But here's the truly unsettling part. No one could explain where they came from or how human cells ended up falling from the sky. The blob rain returned 5 more times over 3 weeks, then stopped forever. To this day, Oakville's gelatinous downpour remains completely unexplained.